to deal with the hanging basket swarm. Ah, is it? It's been wired on, which is going to slow us down slightly. Now, the master plan here is to put the hanging basket and the swarm in the box. Swarm in box, basket in box, box in van, and everybody's happy. However, we appear to have hit the first hitch.
I'll just take the volume down.
Oh, are we unwired? Yeah, here we go. And we're moving the hanging basket.
And I'll know for next time not to yell.
No, we're not. We're cutting the wire. Almost wire-free. I have to tell you that I wouldn't want to be the person doing this, even though I'm reliably informed that they can't sting you through one of these suits, because apparently they can. Would it be easier to take the hooks off the bottom of the S? Right. Oh, here we go. Oh. Standing by for putting basket with swarm in box. Swarm in box. Basket in box. Oh, look at that. Absolutely marvellous. Trying not to squash the flowers, but the lady says she doesn't mind. And we are going to bring her hanging basket. Oh, look, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's so cute. So, we're just going to wait now for a few bees. Oops. To realise what's going on and head for the box.
Oh my god, that whoop sound.
I have to say, that little petunia sticking out the top is really quite artistic. Marvellous. And that's it. Box in van, swarm to beekeeper, another happy person.